So I've had a few people ask me how to do the wood grain on the tumblers. This is a typical stainless steel tumbler. I cleaned it with alcohol. Rather, this time I used acetone because I can't find alcohol. And then I just spray painted it white. As you can see, it's stainless steel. Even the bottom. So to do alcohol ink, or rather the wood grain with alcohol ink, I'm using this alcohol ink. Got it from Amazon. It came in a 3-pack. This color is called Latte, which will appear as the lighter wood grain. So all you do is you take the applicator and you put one strip down the tumbler. And you just move it around. Keep repeating the process. There's really no rhyme or reason. If you go over the top of your last line, it's okay. It just gives it more of that wood grain effect. The bigger your brush, the wider your lines will be. So here is the line. And because this is alcohol ink, it dries almost instantly. So you have to work pretty fast. We want to be sure to get the top, or rather the bottom, sorry. Be sure you get any runoff so it doesn't appear in droplet form. Just keep going all the way around the tumbler until all your white has been covered. Sorry, I just wanted to check the bottom. The lighting in here is not the greatest. Because this is a little watery as well, you want to be sure that you put something down on your table or wherever you may be working, unless it is your craft table and that's what it's meant for, to get messy. So sometimes I will brush this way with the full bristles. Sometimes I will brush this way to just get a skinnier line. and it just gives it different effect each time. When I got done with my first tumbler, I didn't wear any gloves, as I'm not wearing now, and it looked like I had a suntan on just a fraction of my hand. So just be aware of that. And just keep turning. Making sure you have no drips. And there's different techniques. It just all depends on what you're going for. Kind of want this to look a little more like a bat, so I'm not going to put knots in it. Okay. So looks like I might have missed a little something up here, so I'll put a little more. Kind of hard to see sometimes. This is pretty much dry, so I can kind of slip my hand out, turn it around, find any bare spots that I might have missed, or lighter spots. And that's it. And there you have a wood grain tumbler. So I'm going to touch up the bottom a little bit. Again, you can now maybe put a decal on this of whatever your choice may be, and then go over it with a darker color. And then peel your decal and you would see this under the darker color, which is a nice effect. You can put a decal on it. You can put a water slide on it. I'm going to choose to do a vinyl decal with a water slide overlay. But first, I'm going to put a coat of epoxy on this because I've learned through trial and error that sometimes the alcohol ink will bleed through and then your water slide is not clear. It may be a tint of this color. So that's it. That's how you do wood grain tumblers.